Coordenadora residente ONU iha Timor-Leste, Funi Balongun Hamutu Kosefe Estado, discutiona assunto com a apoio Nações Unidas para Timor-Leste iha futuro. Encontro cortesiane realiza iha Palácio Presidencial para PT Dili, quarta-feira, loron sanolo resingualo, fula setembro, tina rihunrua ruanolo resinhat. Coordenadora residente ONU iha Timor-Leste, Funi Balongun, informa, iha encontro Josefe Estado José Ramos Hortane, discute com a colaboração ONU, atu apoio Timor-Leste iha futuro mai. Além de ne, ONU mos congratula Estado ho governo Timor-Leste, nebe mak Susesu durante visita papa iha Timor-Leste.
We came to pay a courtesy visit to His Excellency the President to congratulate him on the successful hosting of His Holiness the Pope and how amazing it was and how Timor-Leste did excellently, and so it was to congratulate him. Also to express appreciation for the reception that the government offered the UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres when he was here in August. So we came to express our appreciation. So I'm standing here on behalf of my other colleagues from the UN agencies to speak to you. And then we discussed a little bit about UN's collaboration and support to the government of Timor-Leste. And so had a few reflections on that, because the UN is starting its new cooperation framework on the work and support is going to be offering and support that is going to be given to the government of Timor-Leste. So we discussed a little bit of that, just to inform His Excellency that we're doing that, and it's going to happen between now and end of next year. So that was why we came.
And then what message from Mr. President to
the message to His Excellency was to get his feedback on how we're working. Of course, he told us that we do have a lot of the evaluation that we do ourselves, so we do know in a way, but we wanted to hear his reflections about what were some of his priorities. And he did speak to the priorities, as we all know, about women, pregnant women in particular, children, stunting, malnutrition, how to transform food systems, and of course on border management, the supports that UN can continue to provide on making sure that the borders of Timor-Leste are secure. Those were the priorities that he shared with us.
A reportagem Sabina Sansa, televisão Timor-Post.
Janela informação ba emogoto. Atua tem informação atual dia clio. Kita haluha, haneham botão subscribe, like, halo comentário no fahe tutang ba media sosial hoto.